From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, absolutely gorgeous across Acadiana today. Boy, it felt good early this morning. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s, even upper 50s across portions of Acadiana. And we'll continue to see this cool, dry pattern. You can see that drier air working its way into Acadiana. It's going to last for a couple more days, then changes on the way as that moisture out in the Gulf of Mexico is going to start to creep back to the north a little bit as that upper level trough moves on out. So here's the big picture across Louisiana and just some high level cirrus clouds. Nice little elevated cloud streak moving on through. It was quite picturesque, and now we just have plenty of sun out there. It's been a mostly sunny day anyway. You slice it across the board. As we look at the big picture, get into the tropics, it's quieted down in the eastern Pacific, so maybe sometimes when that happens, something may be up in the Atlantic basin, but we don't see that quite yet. However, as we move out through the Caribbean, it does appear to be nice and quiet. You have ridges of high pressure out here in the Atlantic. Two little systems that we're watching, one which is fading, the other one is gaining maybe a little steam. The one here by the Cape Verde Islands, 10% over the next 5 days and fading. We might be dropping this one off our outlook later on tonight. And then the wave out in the mid-tropical Atlantic, 40% of development over the next 5 days, but it looks like development may be beyond that 5-day period. So let's take a look at our long-range models. Here's the Euro picking up on the one tropical wave and the other one that's just fading out. As we get into, say, Sunday, we see the moisture starting to creep northward here in the Gulf of Mexico, so thus the slight rain chances. But this wave really doesn't do a whole lot. But notice what happens in the northwest Caribbean. We start getting a broad area of low pressure here in the northwest Caribbean. So something could be developing here down the line. The models are hinting at it, but we're not quite sure what's going to manifest out of it. And the GFS kind of shows the same thing with lots of deep tropical moisture and maybe some low pressure troughing. You could have a low here, or maybe one here, or maybe one down here. We'll see how it plays out. But notice the GFS keeping us nice and dry with a secondary front coming in later next week. But we're not sure if we can buy into that quite yet. But bottom line, keeping an eye on the tropics, but not too bad for the peak of hurricane season for sure. So overnight tonight, generally fair skies. Model hinting at maybe a little patchy fog developing across the river parishes out across the Chaffalay Basin, and that would make sense with temperatures, air temperatures in the 60s and water temperatures in the basin in the upper 80s. So you can have some fog developing and condensing over the basin. So we'll put that in the forecast as well. It's not overt, but it could be there. And then tomorrow morning, back down into the lower 60s with mostly sunny skies as we head into our Thursday as well with sunshine, and even going into Friday much the same, maybe a few patches of fog, but mostly sunny skies. Humidity and temperatures starting to come up just a bit. So overnight tonight, here are your forecast lows. Northern parishes, how about upper 50s? 58 in Opelousas, that's what we saw this morning there. 57 Lafayette, 56 in Bunkie, so a few numbers here pushing the mid 50s, and we'll go lower 60s I-10 quarter. Lafayette being one of the warmer spots. We might get down to 62. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. And lower 60s across the coastal parishes except by the water, or down toward Morgan City will favor the mid 60s. And then after that cool start tomorrow, another warm one, but still comfortable. Humidity 86, 87 the high, and that feels like temperature won't be much different because our dew points will still be nice and low. Tomorrow night going into Thursday morning, still not bad, not quite as cool. We'll favor low to mid 60s versus upper 50s to lower 60s we're going to see tonight and tomorrow morning, and then upper 80s to near 90 as we get into Thursday, but still comfortable humidity on Thursday, so it still won't feel too bad. So overnight tonight, 63 the low is what we'll go with. Just a simply perfect September night. For mid-September, this is pretty good. Then for tomorrow, another top weather day ahead. A few degrees warmer than today, but overall comfortable humidity. I noticed on my bike ride today, a lot of folks were out doing their lunch thing outdoors right around noon today. Temperatures upper 80s to near 90 as we round out the week, but still feeling good in the mornings, comfortable humidity. And then the rain chances perk up a bit as we head into the weekend, and these rain chance numbers may even be a little bit too high, but feeling a little bit more summer-like as we head into the weekend and continue on into next week. But overall, not a bad looking pattern. Next 3 days are the days to be off, and who's taking off a day this week? I haven't checked with your schedule, but I'm going to try Friday.
Oh, we're still here.
Yeah,
all three of
I
us.
think if we made it in today,
I'm going to try
we're
for
probably
Friday.
all going to be here.
We should have planned better. We talked about it last week, Rob. Whoops.
Right.
Thanks, Robs.